Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and this is Ijoma Ibe Official, and today we are tackling a delicious dilemma: cooking two different pasta and perfect meatballs at the same time. It's a classic Italian feast, and with a little planning you can have it all on the table at once. So let's start by cooking the spaghetti on a two different separate pots and the meatball on a separate pot too. I'm already made the sauce for this meatball. It's already made, so I just have to boil the meatball. As you can see, the meatball and the pasta is already boiling. Alright, it is done. The pasta is done, so I have to add the meat and the meatball too. I have to add the meatball on the sauce I already made. So I added the meatball inside the sauce and mix it together so I can use it to serve the pasta. Alright guys, so I already served the food. My pasta, I already served them. They already got their food. So I'll start by dishing the macaroni. So I dish out this macaroni for my last son. He's not here, so I have to dish it for him. When he comes back, he will eat. Alright guys, thanks for joining me on Mock Data Masterclass. Keep cooking, stay creative, and I will see you next time. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos. See you guys on my next video. Bye.